Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can do the Capcut text layer. And in here, I've already imported a photo that I want to set as the background. Here, change the format into 9 by 16 like this. And let's crop the photo following the format or the screen ratio. Okay, after that you can click on a check icon and don't forget to adjust the size like this. And after that, here duplicate the photo and make one of them as overlay. So on the overlay video, remove the background, so go to remove PG and use the auto removal. Okay, just wait until it's done. Now the background is removed, and now you can just go back and add overlay again. Go to add the text lyrics like this as the overlay. You can find it on a TikTok. You can use any song that you want, add on it. Now just adjust the size, use splice and use the light and like this. Click on a check icon, and here I'm going to adjust the duration to match with the text overlay. Okay, like this. Also the overlay here. Now what you need to do is just adjust the layer. So click on the overlay, the text overlay, and find layer. This one, and adjust it. So adjust it like this. Click on a check icon and you are done. So this will be the result. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button below. Bye.